How's it going? Welcome to the channel. Christian here with Fink Fabrications. Today I'm going to be showing you a simple and easy way to disassemble a pallet with a circular saw, yielding shorter boards depending on how the pallet's set up. Alright, let's get to this. So the goal for this project is actually just going to be taking the circular saw and cutting these pallet boards right along this piece right here to yield the most amount of pallet wood in between these two long pieces that these long boards are attached to. So it's a fairly simple process, and it doesn't take much work at all. Alright, so there you have it. Nice and easy, nice and quick, as you can see. Went ahead, cut these boards off. Got a whole stack here of, I don't know, about 20-inch pieces of wood. Nice oak with a lot of features in them. And I've got these longer pieces that in the future, if I did choose to use for any project, I could go ahead, cut these nails off, pull those little scrap pieces off as well, or I can go ahead and burn them or do whatever I need to do just to get rid of them if I don't plan on using them. But it yielded usable wood very fast. So if this helped you out, please go ahead, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Go ahead, like this video and comment on this video if it did help you at all. Alright guys, thanks for watching.